Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friends, in this occasion, I will explain to you about form of energy. Now, we will do the experiment about form of energy. Okay, the first, we click the symbol energy for to know the energy inside the object. Okay, now we can see the energy inside the object, and then we click link headers, okay, to turn on the headers. And then first step, we check the temperature of the object. We put the thermometer in the water and also olive oil. Okay, as we can see, the temperature are same. And then we are also check the temperature of bricks and also the iron. Okay, the temperature also same. Then we will heat it up. Put the bricks on the heating and also the irons on the heatings. Okay, now we heat it up. Okay. Now, as we can see, the temperature in bridge increase faster than the iron. Okay, we know there is a transfer energy from the fire to the bricks and also the iron. Okay, which cause increase in energy and temperature for each object. Okay, we stop it. Nah, and then after that we cool the object. Okay, we cool the object. Okay, nah, we can see the energy in each object, okay, decrease and absorb into the ice. Okay, stop it, and then we put it back, irons and also the bridge. Then the temperature will slowly decrease and the energy will slowly go out into the air. We put it back to temperature. Okay. Next, we do the same thing with the water and also oil. Okay, we put the water on the heating and also olive oil. Okay, put the temperature in each object, and after that we heat it up. Okay, as we can see, the temperature olive oil, this is increase more than water. Okay, increase faster more than water. Nah, okay. And also the energy, there is transfer energy from the fire to the olive oil and also water. Okay, we stop it. Okay. Okay, and then after that we cool down the energy. Nah, the energy in the water and oil will be absorbed into the ice. Nah, and the temperature will decrease. Okay, as we can see, the temperature will decrease and also the energy absorbed into the ice. Okay, then we put it back. So guys, with the conclusion of this experiment, okay, The conclusion from this experiment is, as we know, that the form of energy that is moved due to different in temperature is called heat or heat energy. If there is a temperature different between two objects or places, there will always be a transfer of heat from objects or place where the temperature is higher to place where the temperature is lower. As we can see just now, we do the experiment. The energy from the fire is high temperature move to the energy low temperature, such as water, olive oil, something like that. And then heat transfer will occur until the temperature is the same. Okay. And from the experiment that have been done, that between bricks and iron have different boiling points. Bricks have a higher boiling points. Okay, and this is evidence when the temperature of the bricks increase faster than iron. And also between water and olive oil, the boiling point from olive oil is more higher than the boiling points from water. As we can see just now, when we heating the olive oil and the water, the temperature of olive oil is decrease more faster than water. Okay, I think just that I can to explain to you about form of energy. I hope you can understand what I explained to you, and I apologize if there is some mistake that I have do. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.